Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I made my casual Rapunzel cosplay from Disney's Wreck-It Ralph 2, Ralph Breaks the Internet. My goal for this cosplay was to make it as accurate as possible with a limited budget. So I went to my local Salvation Army and found a pink hoodie, a purple tank top, and purple pants. They didn't have leggings, but I did find skinny jeans, which are going to work just fine for me. The hoodie isn't quite the right shade of pink, so my first step was to dye it darker using Dylon Flamenco Pink. It's important that you follow the instructions on the packet so that your dye is even and binds properly to the fabric. This will stain, so be careful. I have a designated pot that I use only for dye baths, and I highly recommend having one. Once it was done dyeing, I needed to rinse it in warm water. Dylon also says to wash it and dry it like normal. This will get out the rest of the dye, so I didn't accidentally stain everything pink in the future. Next, you can see that this hoodie was very large on me. It was a 2XL when I usually wear a small medium. So my next step was to take it in. To begin, I'm going to cut off both sleeves, as it will be easier to adjust it without them. And I'm going to be altering the sleeves later anyways. Using my dress form, I placed the hoodie over top of my measurements and pinned the sides back together. You don't have to cut the sides apart to do this, but I find that it helps me. You can also have a friend you trust help you if you don't have a dress form. Here's what it looks like after both sides have been taken in and sewn back together. I also had to remake the armpit holes as they lost their original shape after I made all these adjustments. I then took both sleeves and cut out where I wanted to insert the white stripes. It helps if you do them side by side to make sure that they're even. Using the parts that I cut out, I overlaid the pink stripes on top of my white fabric and cut out the stripes in white. I left a seam allowance at the top and bottom, but you don't have to worry about leaving a seam allowance on the sides. Now you just sew the sleeve back together again and reattach both sleeves to the hoodie. One piece is done. Next is the pants or leggings. I found a picture online for the sun symbol of the Kingdom of Corona and made my own using Flash. Using this, I created a PNG that I imported into my silhouette portrait. This will guarantee that they're all the same size and shape when they get cut out. My Kingdom of Corona suns are all cut out of iron-on vinyl, which can be found at Joann's, Michael's, and Amazon. Before ironing on, make sure you peel off the parts you don't want. Carefully place your suns and iron them on. Follow the instructions on your vinyl. Finish up the pants. I finally hemmed the bottoms to keep them from fraying. The tank top was made the same way as the pants. I found reference images to Rapunzel's tank top design and created my own version of it and exported it as a PNG. I then had it cut out on my vinyl cutter and ironed it on. Links to all the PNGs I made for Rapunzel can be found in the description below. And here's how it looks all together. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more cosplay content and tutorials. Comment below who your favorite Disney princess is, and no matter how you make your cosplay, make sure to stay creatively you. Until next time, bye!